And here it is, the Hiboy S2R Plus. It is a real sleek looking scooter, and after going on a lot of rides with it, there's just a lot to love about it. And starting with the design, it's got a strong aluminum frame, very sturdy, and a big solid deck with grips on it to keep you from sliding on it. It's got a nice kickstand on here as well, and easy to access charging point. And the cables are hidden really well. There are two 9-inch pneumatic tires and a split hub design to make it much easier if you need to replace a tire. It's also a much smoother ride than most scooters at the same size, even over rough terrain, and that's because of their dual rear suspension. Up to the handlebars, it's a really nice grip. You have one handbrake, and that is a regenerative brake and a bell. On the other side, you have the throttle, and it's actually really nice for your thumb, really good placement, making it easier for longer rides. You have a really nice display screen here too, giving you the essentials like your speed, battery status, and mode. You also have a bright headlight on the front and a red taillight on the back for those night rides. This thing is really easy to fold. We just pop this thing open and fold it down, connecting it to the tire. And it's super lightweight, weighing only 30 pounds, so it's easy to put in your car. There is a 350 watt motor that is very powerful for this size, with 2 speed modes giving you speeds up to 19 miles per hour, which is really fast, but also gives you a range around 22 miles. And it can carry a weight load up to 220 pounds. You can also connect it to the Hiboy S2 app. That way you can lock your scooter, customize speed and cruise control, and a little bit more customization. One really cool feature is that you have this key to pop out the battery. So if you need to park it somewhere, you just bring in the battery, keeping it harder for someone else to ride off with it. But you can also get multiple batteries for longer rides. So if you run low on one, you swap it out to another. All in all, if you're looking for a fun little ride to take with you commuting to work or school, or just wanting to have a joyride around the city, this is a great scooter for that.